Hey guys, welcome back to my little channel, Wake Up Bright. I am outside, so I am very awkward. I am doing my home tour today. It is also my birthday, which is why I'm wearing the sapphire blue underneath this buffalo print shirt. But I'm super excited to show you what we've done to our house for fall. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, we are going to do a voiceover on my little tour. Here's the outside of our home, or part of it. You kind of can't see the whole thing in that clip, but that's okay. And here is everything you see when you open the door. I wish we had a definitive entryway, but I'll take two sweet puppies greeting me in the living room, laying on the rug any day. Here is our decor so far. I'm pretty sure I'm going to add some live pumpkins, but we have not been to a pumpkin patch yet. I don't know if we'll go. If not, then I'll probably pick some up from Lowe's or something. And this beautiful wreath is from TJ Maxx and Home Goods. The buffalo check mat is from Hobby Lobby, and they have those on Amazon. They even have like long runners and like 5x7s for fairly inexpensive. All you have to do is search for them. And then the Hello rug is from Kirkland's. Again, here is the inside. I wish that you couldn't see everything under the TV stand, but that's okay. Here is an overview of our living room. I just love it. I love the way it's turning out. I can't wait to see how it evolves over time. I will definitely be sad whenever we move. That is for sure. Here's the overview from the landing, and my husband actually got me a entryway table that we're putting at the landing. So I'm excited to decorate that as well. And then the little gray pads, I never zoomed in on those. Those are just dog beds. They're really flat. I think they're for inside kennels, but I just put them on the floor. They look kind of like rugs. And I love that they match everything in our little living room. Most of the time I do have a sheet on our love seat, and then I have a protective cover on the couch because, you know, German Shepherds, they are not allowed on the couch unless we call them, which we rarely do, but they do sneak on it sometime at night. Sometimes at night, I should say. So the sweet little grateful sign, I saw in somebody else's video, like they were just kind of going through Kirkland's, and it actually is what kind of started all of my decor stuff this year, because I hadn't been to Kirkland's in years. But thank you for the grateful sign, Kirkland's. And this beautiful wreath my mom actually gave me. I am obsessed with it, and now it's panning away from the wreath. Oh no! But the wreath is from At Home, and it is so beautiful. I did take some things off of it and repurpose them, and I will show you that in just a little bit. So here is the TV stand, and the garland is from Hobby Lobby. I am obsessed with how sweet it turned out. I just think it's beautiful. This year wings already exist. All you have to do is fly, stand, wings, whatever you want to call it. My mom sent me this year for my birthday, and then she sent me some big wing things that are gold that I'll put up at Christmas time. The plant is from Family Dollar. I got it on clearance last year. I think I got like 3 for $5 or something. And then that little wooden box that we've already passed is from a flower arrangement I got when I hurt my leg last year. I am obsessed with these lights. These lights are from the Target dollar spot, and they have that copper wire. I don't know if you can tell that it's copper, but it's adorable. So $3, Target dollar spot. It's the bomb. The Happy Fall Y'all sign is from Home Goods and TJ Maxx, and the cute little birds are from Pier 1, but from Pier 1 like 500 billion years ago. So there's a few things in my living room that I've had, I mean, probably for a decade. So the flowers are from TJ Maxx and Home Goods, and the Let's Stay Home and Welcome Friends signs are both from Hobby Lobby. The TV stand is something I made, I repurposed, I guess. I got it from a thrift store in Salt Lake, and it's one of those big desk hutch things that sit behind a desk. I just painted the sides, front with black chalkboard paint. I liked, as I was painting the top wood, I had intended to paint it eventually and get a glass top, but I just like it with the wood so much that one day I might like strip it and stain the wood a different color, but for now, I'm leaving it as is. Here are my adorable pups again. I'm sure you'll see them again and again and again and again and again. These two buffalo plaid pillows are from TJ Maxx and Home Goods. The pillow in the center is a velvety, like animal print. You can't really tell in this lighting, but my mom gave me that and the gold blanket. The white blanket on the love seat was from Target, and it is one of those cable knit like throws. I think it's like a queen size, so it's actually rather big. My husband just likes big blankets. The 4 pillows on the sides are with Amazon buffalo plaid covers. The white blanket that I zoomed in like all crazy like is actually buffalo check on one side, and then that like super soft fuzzy stuff on the inside. I just like the way it looks white, and usually I have it a little bit straighter. I don't know why I fixed it like that for this video, but I'm not loving it. I loved it this morning. The family sign, or family pillow, is from Kirkland's. And oh, I think I said this, the Amazon buffalo plaid cases are phenomenal. They're like a canvas. They're very good quality. I can't really tell the difference between those and other places that have them. The placemats on the end table there's 2 of them, and they are from the dollar spot at Target from a few years ago. And then I got some super amazing candles, like this little pumpkin cupcake one is by far my favorite from Bath & Body for fall. And then I also got this pumpkin, I don't remember I can't read it, sorry, but it's pumpkin something, and I love the houndstooth on the actual candle holder. And then a little tiny pumpkin is from the dollar store, and it was $1. This is from the dollar store. The flowers in this little vase are from the dollar store, and the gold leaves I pulled off of that wreath. I just didn't like the way they looked on the wreath my mom sent. There's a lot of other gold like leaves and things in it that I do like. This is the candle from Kirkland's that I was so disappointed in, but I found a new home. And this little basket I zoomed in all crazy like has little pine cones all around it, and I actually found this at a thrift store in Salt Lake years ago, and it is just one of my favorite finds. I think it was like $1. And then the pine cones and the little tiny pumpkins are from a potpourri bag I got from Hobby Lobby, and the burlap is just a random cutout piece. I just put it there. Here you can really tell, and this is just a static picture, how orange it is. Alrighty, now we're diving into the kitchen, which is the only other area besides the front door and the living room that I decorated. This is kind of the overview. It's not perfect. I should have picked it up a little bit better before doing this video. Please forgive me. So let's start over here in the corner. So this is on the cabinet directly to the left of the refrigerator. The little flowers are, I think there's like 6 things in there. They're they're not flowers, they're leaves, and they're from the dollar store. And I just stuffed them in there. That black vase is not actually a vase. It's a pickle jar that I had spray painted black. It was kind of like a DIY fail, but I needed something to put those in. It's temporary, and then when I put it in them, I really liked it. The little pumpkin on the left and the candle, it's a Sand and Fog white pumpkin scent candle, are both from TJ Maxx and Home Goods, and I love them. I really love the way this turned out. Here's a little bit closer look. Okay, and here it is all lit up at night. I really like the way it kind of lights up when I light the little candle, and like it flickers through the orangey, and there's some green on the leaves. So I just think it's really pretty. And now we're going over to my little stressed, blessed, and football obsessed sign corner, which is over by the pantry. And I have a little Stand and Fog candle. Then that concrete pumpkin I think is gorgeous, and we're about to see it in daylight hours. So the top of the Stand and Fog candle says thankful, which I thought was really cute. And again, I'm obsessed with those little concrete pumpkins. They were $4.99, but they were on sale I think I paid like $2 for them. They're really heavy, which I think is like super, super nice. And then the Stressed, Blessed, and Football Obsessed sign came from TJ Maxx and Home Goods. Oh, the Concrete Pumpkin came from Hobby Lobby. I don't know if I said that. Sand and Fog, TJ Maxx, and Home Goods. And then the jar that the pistachio's in. I just wanted something else over there. And that jar came from Hobby Lobby like 500 years ago. I have a ton of them. This side, I actually had intended to put pumpkins and stuff on this little cake stand, but I made cupcakes for my nephew's first birthday and his little cake and everything. And this is just left over from that, and I think they're fallish, like German chocolate cupcakes. And we don't eat a lot of stuff, so they're just decorative, and I'll throw them away eventually. This is my Mrs. Meyer stuff. At first, I had no intention of leaving this stuff out on the counters, but it's kind of like a splash of fall for the sink. So I guess I drank the Kool-Aid, and I am now Grove Collaborative and Mrs. Meyer's obsessed. I have a little tray. It's from the not dollar store, but from a thrift store, and then the little berries were from the dollar store. I know you kind of moved on. These are little pumpkins from the the dollar spot at Target, and the little tray that they're sitting in is from Hobby Lobby, and those are 50% off, and I think it was only like $3 or $4. So super cute. And now we're going back to our little table, which is kind of, I'm not in love with. Okay, so I'm not 100% crazy about the rug and the beaded runner, but I don't know if I'll replace them or not this year. The runner is really old. My mom gave it to me, and then the burlap thing is just a leftover thing from my nephew's party, and I just left the table runner on there instead of putting the one I had back on there, but I think I'm going to change it back out. I love the way this looks when it's all lit up. I just think it's beautiful. The potpourri stuff is from that Hobby Lobby potpourri bag, and then the white pumpkins are from TJ Maxx. Little beaded looking, it's like beaded water drops. I don't know, they're shiny and cute. Pumpkins all over the house. And then the basket that this is all sitting in is from a thrift store, and you'll have to excuse the doggy beds. I'm sure there's a way to make those cute in the background, but I haven't figured it out yet. And now I'm like pointing to the little pumpkins and stuff. Yeah, so I do love that beaded runner. I think it's seen better days. So I don't know. Kind of fits my rustic vibe. And when it's dim, it looks better than it did a few seconds ago when we looked at it together. So let's talk about all the little things over here. This kind of, you can see it from most places in the house, and so I love it. The little miniature, it's a miniature cake pan with the wood bottom, and then it has the little gold or chrome balls on the bottom feet, I guess is what it's called. I love it. It's from TJ Maxx and Home Goods. So are those little white pumpkins. I don't think I said that a couple minutes ago. The blue pumpkins and the orange pumpkins and the tiny white pumpkin all came in a pack from Kirkland's. And then I have the one white pumpkin from the Target dollar spot. The Land of the Free, Home of the Brave sign that you can't really fully read right now is from Hobby Lobby, and I love it. Makes me think of my husband and all of the men and women that serve our country, and I'm so grateful for them. And then the little flowers, little orange ones, are from the dollar store, and the vase I just had on hand, I think it's from a thrift store. And then I got the frame for one of our engagement photos from Hobby Lobby, and yeah, that's just me and my husband from a bazillion years ago. And now I'm probably talking more about the little pumpkin, but yeah, so I really love our fall decor. I love my little row of pumpkins. I do think adding it made it look a little bit more cluttered, but I think it also makes it look more festive. And then I think I'm gonna find a spot somewhere and do a little bit of Halloween decor, and then I'll just do like a shop and decorate with movie or something for that. But I'm just going to let you look at my mantle for a few more seconds, and then you will see my shiny face. I hope it's not that shiny.
Alright guys, thank you so much for coming on our house tour. If you like this video and would like to see more house tours as the holidays progress, go ahead and give us a big thumbs up and comment down below what's your favorite fall decor, what's your favorite holiday to decorate for. Is it fall? I think that's my favorite. Well, Christmas is my favorite, so that's kind of a lie. Unintentionally, of course. But yeah, give us a big thumbs up if you want to follow along on my weight loss journey or on further house tours and things like that, like bugs. Then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and ding the little bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.